Okay. This is it, Pansit. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Excited. Good. Yun ang gusto kong marinig, no? The ATN vacate via high-tone taxiway RPC 8730. And be advised, ma'am, I'll be releasing my student SP Juliana Alvarez for her first solo. Kindly extend your assistance. Call you back when ready to taxi. Focus. Enjoy the moment. Take care of the plane so that it'll take care of you. No, wag papabayaan yung airplane. Safe. God bless. Don't do anything unnecessary sa taas. Wag na mag-good luck. Congrats in advance.
Thank you, Capt.
Ako na-excite for you.
It's 730, taxi line up 05.
Taxi in line up runway 05, RPC 8730.
It's 730, wind 050 at 13 runway 05, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 05, RPC 8730. Is on the floor, applying full power. Maintaining center line. Engine instruments all on green. Airspeed is 11, increasing. 50. 60. Rotate. Bicol Tower RPC 870, airborne runway 05 for touch and go.
It's 730, report base.
Report base RPC 870.
Tower, Topflite operations.
Topflite operations, go ahead.
Tower, Topflite operations, sir. Request open communications with 8730.
Topflite approved.
Thank you, sir.
Left, center, right is clear, turning right, heading 140. $1,200, reducing power to 23. Turning downwind left, center, right is clear, turning right, heading 230. Beam threshold, carb hit on, power down to 2-1. White arc, deploying flaps 1. Turning base left, center, right is clear. Turning right, heading T20. T20, turning base for touch and go. Power down to 1,900. White arc, deploying flaps 2.
8730, wind 03010 knots, runway 05, clear the touch and go.
Cleared touch and go, runway 05, RPC 870.
It's 730, report base.
Report base RPC 870. Turning base left, center, right is clear, turning right, heading 320. Reducing power to 19. White arc, deploying flaps 2.
Congrats, Jules!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Capt. Bicol Tower RPC 870, vacated the active runway and closing flight plan. Good day and thank you.
730, have a good day.
Bicol Tower, maraming salamat po.
Welcome, sir. Good day.